All right, welcome back. It is the golden hour here at the Little White House on the Hill, which I am very excited about. During my golden hour.
Before we begin today's lesson, I just want to make sure everybody knows we're being very safe with the coronavirus. We are 6 feet away from one another. We are outside. Anyway, I just thought people might be interested in seeing what the roots of a cactus looks like. Now this cactus has a lot of real nice roots. It's got real nice roots. I'm proud of this one.
So we're really just going to talk about what I have learned over this last week. So some things I've learned. I've learned that you really must take your time learning each chord, and finger placement is key. And really, when you're playing a chord, making sure that each string that your finger touches sounds right. Like that didn't sound right. So that kind of sounded better. But making sure that finger placement is proper and making sure that, it's tedious, but we get through it, and it just, doing it repetition is key.
You gotta go slow to go fast. That's what my master guitar teacher... I'll do the you gotta go slow to go fast part again.
Sorry.
You gotta go slow to go fast. It's a freaking car.
Not like this car that's going faster than slow.
Filming outside's got its downsides. All right, here we go. My master guitar teacher told me you gotta go slow to go fast. So I think you're totally right about that.
Yeah, and I can't hurry through going from G to D to C. It's not going to sound right. It sounds sloppy. So, on my 4 days off, 15 to 20 minutes, I wake up in the morning and I go to the front porch and I look at the tulips, I drink my coffee, and I do G, D, C, G, repeat until it sounds nice.
Okay, let's play. I've been curious if I can play guitar in these gardening gloves. Can I try?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll try to play G, D, and C, and then you play it after me.
Okay.
These are perfect claws in case, for the picking.
Those are.
I know. Now, already I'm going to have to take this glove off, but I think it's possible. It works. I don't want to steal the spotlight. You do it.
Shoot.
There's a rabbit. There's a rabbit that just ran across the road.
Yeah. So, the transitions are still
So
a little difficult for me, but I feel much better on each chord. So, doing each
I'm really
chord
glad.
and doing the transition
Just hopping through the grass.
and sleeping on it and dreaming about G chord.
Oh, if you're dreaming about G chord, you're really immersing yourself in the music.
I really did notice that my chords sound much better, and you gave me this pick, and strumming with a pick makes all of the difference.
I remember when you couldn't even do that. This week, what I would like for you to work on is do your front porch routine.
Okay.
And then also add another section where you're watching TV.
Okay.
And you are just sitting there, and you don't even strum because you'll be wanting to watch TV. You just go back and forth. That's what I do when I play really hard chords.
Like
Back
Aaliyah.
and forth. And make sure you're right about getting it precise because it will get in your muscle memory wrong if you're just like.
Yeah.
So.
It's got to sound right.
I think next week you'll be a lot faster, and I'm really proud of you for practicing and not quitting.
Don't strum and just move your fingers in the place. Okay. I'm going to do it.
High five.
Oh, yeah. Let's do air stuff now.
That's all, folks. I'm Emily D.
And I'm Mark Vovo. Thanks for tuning in.
Edelweiss, Edelweiss, every morning you meet me.
Oops. Edelweiss. Oh, why am I? Sorry. I don't know why. Why am I? Let's look at this. Edelweiss. What is this? I have a learning disability. What's the note? I don't think that's it. Yeah, why is it? So no, it goes up.
Let's just work on it next week.